Henry McClure Live. What are you doing today? What are you doing this morning? Hey, are you looking for like an office suite? Let's say you don't want to, you don't want to, you got to have a place you got to get out of, got to get out of your house, or you just got to get out of wherever you got to get out of. You can get into this. Look at this. Look at this. Check it out. Look, bookcase, TV. Look at those chairs. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. If you need an office suite, I could probably hook you up. A little whiteboard. A mo. $500 a month. That's just like, you come in, use this space, that's it. What do we got out here? Is this a secret door? Oh, look at that. You got your own exit. Man, wouldn't that be cool if you lived there? Look, if you lived in one of those places, you could just walk out your back door. So just on that side's Heritage Bank, the Blue Moose, Jimbo's office. And then there's probably a way to make a deal to use, let's see here. Let's see here. If you wanted to put your sack lunch in there, they'd probably let you do that. Bring your own coffee. You got to warm up what's in your sack lunch. It's negotiable. We could probably figure out how to do something. Check this out. Now, you definitely have to reserve this because a lot of big meetings going on here. This is where the big deals are made. But look, you too can be a big deal. All you got to do is decide that. Just decide, you know what? I'm going to be a big deal from now on. I guess the best thing to do is to change policies and deregulate who gets to be a big deal in Topeka, Kansas. Because I want everybody to be a big deal. And you shouldn't have to pay to play. Henry McClure Live, telling it like it is. Hey, look at this. Is that cool or what? That's back when I used to run Pizza Pub because our food guy walked out on us. That was the best experience for me personally, as far as like endurance and personal growth. But I cut food costs down, increased sales. It was, and I decided it just wasn't an effective use of my time, but the financial partner had put up a lot of cash for it, and I wanted to do my best to try to get out of that deal. And, it's good to get out of a deal with your head up.